Welcome back to another video. So I've got some of these new Madam Glam gel polishes. These are from their new August release launch. The collection is called School of Glam. So this one is called Fancy Pants. We've got one called Hardcore, and this last one's called Rock and Blue. There is 10 in this collection as well. So they're all henna free, palm oil free, 21 free, cruelty free and vegan. They've got all the ingredients on the back. They are huge bottles, 15ml. So I'm going to go straight in and swatch these on clear swatch sticks, just so you can get, just so you can see what they're like. So yeah, this collection, there's 10 in the collection, and apparently they were inspired by the movie School of Rock. So yeah, I think this is a really cool collection. These three that I have got are reflective gels. There is some normal colours in this collection. By normal, I mean like just normal colours, and there's quite a few of these reflective ones as well. They're absolutely beautiful. Wait till I finish these swatches and I'll show you with the light reflecting off them. They're beautiful. So this has got like a red kind of reflective glitter in it. I don't know if it's the coloured particles that are reflective or the silver. I think it's probably the silver, isn't it? And they're jam-packed full of hollow as well. They're absolutely crazy. I love them. They've got a really nice sparkle just on their own like that as well. They're beautiful. What I'm going to do with these gels today as well, I'm not really going to do a design as such, kind of a design. I'm just going to do a couple of nails very similar with little designs on, and I'm just going to do a couple of plain nails, more to just give you an idea of the things you can do with them. Look at that blue one. They're super sparkly, just as a glitter gel polish. So they've been cured in a lamp for 30 seconds, and I've given them a quick top coat. So that's them just in normal daylight. Look at the hollow and the sparkle in normal daylight. Now look at them. That's with a light reflecting off them. I think I've put the flash on my phone, my tablet. Are they crazy or what? Wow. Look at the sparkle. They're absolutely beautiful. They really are. I love them. Don't forget as well, guys, I've got a 30% discount code now for Madam Glam. It'll be up on the screen, and it's always in my description box as well with the website. So I've just got 4 pre-painted tips. They're painted in kind of a, they're just a nude colour, and I've given them a matte top coat as well. So first I'm using Fancy Pants, and I'm just going to cover this nail and the middle nail. There is no middle nail, there's only 4. But I'm going to completely cover 2 of these just to show you they can go over a colour as well. And you can either do 2 thin layers, or you can do a thick layer, because they've got a clear base. Doing a thick layer, they won't wrinkle, they will cure perfectly fine with no wrinkles. So they're going to get put in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, what I'm going to do on the other 2 nails is just a little bit of nail art. I'm just going to do some just little swirls, just to give you an idea of different things you can do with them. I'll let you watch this, and I'll come back when I'm explaining what I'm going to do next. Right, what I'm going to do on those nails that I've put the swirls on, because I want the background to stay matte, I'm going to go over them swirls again with a glossy top coat. I'm just going to use a little fine detailer brush and just go over them swirls with the glossy top coat, and then cure all them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, I want to put some kind of 4-pronged stars on these nails. I'm doing it in black because I'm going to rub some kind of rose gold chrome powder into these stars. I'll just show you doing this one star because they're all exactly the same, and they're going to get put in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, normally with a chrome powder you would rub it into a no wipe top coat, but because these stars are so small, I'm just going to rub this chrome powder into the tacky layer. It does work out fine on tiny little designs like this, but I wouldn't advise rubbing it into a tacky layer on a full cover nail because it just wouldn't look as smooth as it would if you rubbed it into a no wipe top coat. But yeah, because they're only tiny little stars, I just rubbed it into that tacky layer. So once I've rubbed all that into them stars, I'm just going to use a little duster brush and just wipe off some of that excess powder. And now what I need to do, because I want to seal that chrome powder in, I'm going to go over the stars again with a no wipe top coat. So I'm just going to use a detailer brush again and just go over them stars with a no wipe top coat. And then that'll get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Now once they come out of the lamp, you can wipe over them, then get all that excess powder off with a lint free wipe. And because you've sealed them stars in with the top coat, the chrome powder stays where it is. So that's my little cheeky design. Not really a design, well it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. I just wanted to give you an idea of things you can do with them. How gorgeous are they? This is a Blue Peter moment. Here's one I did earlier. So that's the blue one, rock and blue, over a blue background. And that one is just a little ombre, a little glitter fade. And this one I did over a neon background. It's the same one, but you get a slightly different colour if you put it over a brighter colour. So that's the same one over a brighter pink background. Aren't they just something special? I'm in love with these, I really am. They're gorgeous. I'm so impressed with them. And that's them just in daylight. Even in normal daylight, the sparkle and the colours are stunning. But yeah guys, that is it for today. There is 10 gel polishes in this new collection, School of Glam. I'll leave the link to the website and I'll leave the link to this particular collection in my description box. But that's it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.